Now moving on to the question answers of this chapter. So the first question says, what are some signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? So in the text also we have discussed about the 3 signs of the approaching winter, which is first of all that the birds are flying to the south, second people are wanting new winter and warm clothes, and as well as coats, they are wanting coats, and the third sign that we see for approaching winter is that the dead leaves are falling down. Okay, these were the 3 signs. Now moving on, write true or false for the following. Soapy did not want to go to the prison. This is false. He wanted to go to the prison. Soapy had been to the prison several times. That's true. Okay. Now it was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city through the winter. It was not possible for Soapy to survive. Yeah, that's true. That's again true. Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature. If anybody asked him questions of personal nature, he was, he hated it. So it's true. Okay. So if we go about this, the first one is, so the first one would be false. The second is again true. And this is also true, and this is also true, that he hated it. I hope that these are clear to you guys, okay? Moving on to our next question, which says that what was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? So Soapy's first plan was to dine into an expensive restaurant, eat there and make them send, when he was asked to pay the bill, he will tell them that you can give me to the cops, and that's how he will go to the prison. But what happened? The head of the waiters did not allow him to enter even to that restaurant. So that's how it did not work. Okay, moving on to the next question. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not consider and why? So what happened? This was his second time when he was trying to go into the prison. He took a stone and threw it on the glass window. You remember that? So that's when the cop's mind did not consider Soapy. The cop did not consider Soapy because normally agar koi banda patthar marta aur wo rukta na. So that was in the mind of the cop, that any other person who has done that would have not waited for the cop and said that yes, I have done it. So that's why the cop was not considering Soapy for that case. Okay, moving on to the next question. This question says that we have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referring to? Now, when in front of the theater, we find Soapy behaving drunkard and he was shouting. The policeman did not arrest him, and the policeman instead said to a man that we have orders not to arrest the college students that night. Alright. The next question is, you are again supposed to write true and false for this. So Soapy stole a man's umbrella. Yes, this is true. He stole. T is for true. He stole that man's umbrella. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. Yes, he offered. That's again true. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. उसने एक umbrella ऐसी stole की थी जो कि अब Soapy की हो गई थी. Again, that's true. So the next one is Soapy threw away this umbrella. Yes, in anger, he just took the umbrella and threw that umbrella. So that's again true about this. So I hope that this is clear to you guys. We will be moving on to our last question, which says that there was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about this change in Soapy? Now, what was this change? This was the change when he saw his childhood home and he heard to that music. That music held him there, and he was, remembered of the old memories, the good memories he had with his friends, his mother. So that's when that particular movement just changed his life. He wanted to get those days back, and he wanted to work for those days. He decided that he's going to get a new job and work for it. So that's how his life changed after listening to that music. So I hope that the question answers and the text of this chapter, both of them are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.